Everybody are clapping hands for you in Facebook. Eh?
What's my family? Simple.
And everybody are celebrating you. I'm telling you, hey, we have seen Odumeje. Now we know Odumeje is fake. Eh?
Do my first time of seeing this video.
That is the video.
Because I don't know Facebook.
That is the video that will destroy your home. Because this is your daughter. And once you have already, he said that he pity the whole world that coming here. Then I will not in your family. I can never. The day I start to wake up, to think and went to mountain and bring down the citadel, I forgive several times. And I hand my help for her. Still yet, in a few weeks, you do another video. That is why I asked, what did I do? And called Odumeje, Madina Boga food and say, where did I know this lady? What connection? For one day I have never had any discussion with you. He said, what?
The devils at the wall. Devils at the wall.
It's your sister.
Devils at the wall.
Now you know that devil. The same devil, I will make sure that God of heaven that using me to destroy you and start again. Nobody speak against me, go free. I am not a man you can joke with. 9 million people are clapping hands in Facebook, calling me all sorts of names. So Odumeje, deceive is what you are deceiving us. I foresee why movie people are coming here. So no film on never. So this is film. Yes, because film people can never go where there is no film. Go to Facebook, YouTube. If you go to YouTube, 9 million, more than 9 million people are praising her. Thank you for opening our eyes. Open your eyes. Because this church has been almost 20-something years. And you come here 1990, 2019. And you have never come almost about 10. Your wife has been almost 10 times.
No.
You have never come almost 10 times. Then he had become my controller. He had become, we are doing business. From Caliber, no you, poor and wretched and hungry. Where do you come? Who is in your family? And he went to the prophet of the whole world, number one. But I said, all the people that are coming here, I pity for them. If great God that would be this church, the day no altar, to sit there on a mountain. On where the great God they blow.
And I must finish it on you.
Or some call all the whole sickness. Stand there to you. No more on Kiaman. They will feed it to you. Later, Edoche called me. I said, Daddy, if you don't do anything, we are look at. He said, no. Even later advised me. Someone have a case. Or be a confess. I can't, because the woman saw hell. I don't know what is in the video. Because I don't know more. They called me and watched. No. When I watched the video, I saw the anger. Just there, on my house, no longer. I'm all on phone. All you as the husband, or family insulting you people. I don't have anything to do with.
When Lita is talking, also talk is so much. Be careful when you sit down to discuss about intervention you don't know. Everything we are doing here is clear before this altar. Thank you.
With you.
Lion.
Then you will know how dangerous and bad I am. But
The lion himself.
I am bad I am good, I am terrible. What's the lion for? What do you want to say?
If and Jacob na Ada insulted my family.
Big one. You're supposed to
Na
talk.
altar can no.
You're supposed to talk. No, don't want what I Jesus.
Na altar can
You are
no.
the first person brought.
If I've ever for one day asked Ada, Odumeje just said, or if I've ever said, bring somebody for fake miracle, or Odumeje just said, bring somebody for fake miracle. Anything I want on earth, may I never ever see it. Are you hearing me? But if I did not, Ada will not get up from this sickness. The husband came to me in Imo State where I was filming. He knelt down and was begging, please forgive Ada. I said, I will not. Ada insulted me, insulted my home family, my whole family, insulted my great prophet on Apuala. Onye kobu. Go to my page from 2015. They've been insulting me, but I saw the greatness in this man. I saw the greatness in him. I started following him. Nobody will stop me from following Odumeje. Nobody will stop me from following Odumeje. Ada will never get up from this sickness. Before the father, I'm saying it. I told the husband, Oma survive here for mentioning my name. And we found Melada. Call the email by Noah. I go Gana Agbia, Mbaganjego Tele Shawama, Mbaganjego Tenka, Negwe Kanwa. Negwa Takelea Kanwa. All of a sudden, or decide ya, on my last born. On your bonafulia, my last born, on when they Sogalia. My last born is a lawyer. I'm a my son who choke, and my first son. I'm a for choke, and say, if you start, you want to destroy my prophet's name the more. If you start, you will destroy my prophet's name the more. Naganuzo, open up the crazy in me. Manganuzo, because of what this girl said. Manganuzo, because of what this girl said. If you get out from this sickness, then a man or Pramona Yemefe, Odumeje DJ. In case Odumeje DJ, if you get out from this sickness, a man or Pramona Yemefe, you have to get those people. You must get those people that I told you to bring and you brought them. When you bring them, you get up.
That's all.
But if you don't bring them, you will go from there. Then others will learn. Others will learn. Father Lord, if I am, oh Jesus. If I am serving the living God, Ada Jesus, Ada Ekwensu, you can never get up from this sickness. And with them, May, Ada, I helped you. From every source, I helped you. Since you said that thing on air, this is my first time of seeing you. Where destroy ya my home. Open up the crazy in me. Na chupun na mana akamo di ocha. Mana ganozo. It shall never be well with you. It's you I'm talking. Ima putanicha. Ada ima putanicha. Because what she did is so trouble. Mba anyi puta face to face. Ka iku beze na Facebook. Okwe nsanya. Mana o maro na nwere ebe olulu na ka ife ngeji na asada asisa. For what? For what? Kambia kansa ba ya isa. Etu aira. Etu ira ka nwoke. Ngi na akpanya nwoke negodu ka ira. Negodu ka idi ada. Ngi na akpanya mwa nwoke. Aru adi ezigbo aru adi roi. That is why he made a chiputanija. Every time you know on air, they destroy your Odumeje. Every time you know on air, they destroy your Odumeje. Who are you? Akwange tobona nefa. Kunienu. Kunie. Ngiwa melon weba lele. Get up. Man no kato na try na achori yo. Na mu na eso Odumeje. Woke kpoliam nwanya kpoliam. If you don't like him, to hell. I love him. No long way.
Go to another place.
What is all this? Oye kuni onefe kopana. Keri for Odumeje melun. Keri for me. Sibo take no ene miracle on eme kamfu. Sibo ti akamfu. Nobody I've never seen. I've gone round. I've never seen. And that is why since 2015 till date I am here and I'll still be with him till eternity. I love you. Lion, I love you. Oh, anybody that is destroying this man, the family can never come out of it. Give me come. What is all this? Get it mellow. Get it for Odumeje melunu. Makanona agwande mmadụ ọya. Makanuna ama agwa muzi ọya. Una chosen to destroy here. God will destroy anybody that is trying to destroy a true man of God. Odumeje, don't worry. On where if an amen. On where if an amen. Okon chota agwoya. Kene. Am I kene? Okuwalo. You are daughter.
This is my first time I've seen him.
You are his father.
Yes.
You are compare. You are his father. The first time you are seeing the video.
Yes.
The first time.
God bear me witness. This is my first time.
And your daughter saying all what is. Now, you people must bring to me the people that you brought to me, and I do fake miracle with. If not, when I done with her, and I will start with your generation. Nothing can stop me until they get me those people. Bring those people to me. Those people you bring to me for do fake miracle.
Because of this girl.
Come here, come on up to you. They say who?
Maya Tolomu.
Oh, my mother.
Because of this girl.
Also for good because of prayer. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm not lying. I'm not your name.
Say now my family that has here get it from one melon. What did I do to you? If you are the people that maybe she's no more talking and not walking. If you are among the people, maybe you are there. They say you are the people that do fake testimony. All my testimonies is in YouTube, is in Facebook. Pick your own. She's the one that brought you to do fake testimony.
We're talking against people. You joke.
They know the damage this lady caused in Facebook. Everybody said that all the miracle I do is fake.
Be careful about intervention. And don't ever bring yourself to be like her. You are talking now. And everybody